congratulations to all of you, to Google team and Pakistan team. It's a wonderful day, a great day in our partnership. I think it's a stepping stone towards a long journey of contributing, in a field which is very attractive, and it is in fact the call of the day. In fact, we will empower our youth through these wonderful modern tools, techniques and technology, and I'm thankful to Vice President Wilson for visiting Pakistan, and this is going to be his visit, which will then convert into, I think, dozens of visits to this country every year. And I think this partnership will blossom like a wonderful, beautiful flower. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Prime Minister.